So, what is tarbiyah? We're gonna refer to Al Imam al Baydawi and Al Imam al Asfahani in their definition. The term Rabb originally refers to tarbiyah, which is the process of developing something stage by stage until it's reached its completion or perfection. So, this is tarbiyah. So, we are not talking about having a good akhlaq, for example, having good manners. No, we're talking about the completeness, the perfectionness of a character. So we're talking about leading towards perfection. Yes, you might take just one aspect or two aspects or three aspects, but this is the overall goal of tarbiyah, perfection, completion. And it is not about passing on of information as education mostly refers to. So we are going in this series use the term tarbiyah, not the term education.